Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Naturalhub. If you're looking for a tasty way to boost your health and maybe shed some pounds, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into the world of ABC juice. Yes, that's apple, beet, and carrot juice. We'll explore what it is, how to make it, and most importantly, whether it can help you in your weight loss journey. So let's get started. What is ABC juice? ABC juice blends 3 powerful ingredients: apples, beets, and carrots. Each of these brings a powerhouse of nutrients to the table. Apples are rich in fiber and vitamin C, beets boost your energy and lower blood pressure, and carrots are a fantastic source of beta-carotene, which is great for your vision. Not only is this juice packed with vitamins and minerals, but it also has amazing detoxifying properties thanks to the beets, which help cleanse the liver. Pretty impressive, right? How to make a BC juice. Making a BC juice is simple. You'll need 1 apple, 1 beet, and 1 carrot. First, wash all the ingredients thoroughly. It's best to use organic produce if you can. Then, chop them into chunks that will fit into your juicer. And voila, that's all there is to it. This juice is best enjoyed fresh to make sure you're getting the most of its nutrients. Can a BC juice help you lose weight? Now let's tackle the big question. Can drinking a BC juice help you lose weight? While no single food or drink can magically melt away pounds, ABC juice can be a beneficial addition to a balanced diet. The fiber in apples helps keep you full, which means you're less likely to snack on unhealthy options. Moreover, the natural sugars in these fruits and vegetables provide a healthier source of calories than sugary processed foods, helping you to manage your calorie intake more effectively. ABC juice is great for weight loss because it's low in calories and high in nutrients. It supports overall health, which is crucial when you're trying to lose weight. However, it should complement a diet that includes whole foods, regular exercise, and adequate water intake. From feeling more energetic to actually noticing a difference on the scale, the feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Remember, consistency is key, and it's important to maintain healthy lifestyle choices alongside your juice regimen. That's all for today's guide on ABC juice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you won't